Hey guys, George of SoundTraxx here. This week we're going to show you one of the little known features about consisting using the Blunami app with your Blunami decoders. So let's get started. Now guys, as we've showed you in videos in the past on how to consist the locomotives, we're going to do the same thing here live. So we have our Blue Rail, which is labeled as a Missouri Pacific, and then we have our Milwaukee Road number 18. Well, the Blue Rail ST, which is our Missouri Pacific ST40, we're going to go ahead and click that link here in the multi-train screen, and we're going to go ahead and build consist number A. Now, with our Milwaukee Road, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click consist A, and now you notice that my throttle has disappeared, which means my locomotives actually are controlled here. But because I've got them facing forward, facing rearward, we need to make sure that they're facing the right direction. And now we can move our locomotives in forward. And you'll notice that the one locomotive starts a little faster. Now, with the Blunami app, we can actually come in here and hit this SM for speed matching. Now you'll see this menu that pulls up. Now what this does is this allows us to adjust the speed of each locomotive slightly to help compensate for differences. So one locomotive may go faster than the other. Now to do this, we're going to go ahead and pull these locomotives back, and I'm going to do this really quickly here on the table in front. Now at the bottom here you can see low, medium, and high. And what that's telling you is that at low speeds you can make the adjustments, medium speed you can use the adjustments, and high speed, and the app will take care of the commands in between to make sure that the locomotives run together more fluidly. So just to show you the example on how this works, we're going to go ahead and push the low. Now as I push low, you notice that the locomotives start to move. Well, I have one locomotive that's slightly moving faster, which is my lead loco. So I can push this button, and you can see how it's drastically changing the speed. Now again, I can do the same thing here with my E8, where it now slows down as well. Now the good news is you can get it adjusted for as long as you need, make your adjustments. And right there, it looks like they're pretty close. Now to go ahead and test this, we're going to go ahead and move this over. And I realize I'm running my hands through a whole lot of obstacles, so it'll be a little fun. But you can see that we're pretty close right there, so we can actually adjust some of these other numbers, and we can adjust this slightly up and down, but to really drastically change, you can kind of see, now you can see that they're really dialed in. So when we're done, we click the done button, and again, doing this upside down is a little difficult. So now, when we put our locomotives together, and we run them using the app, go ahead and move in speed step 1 here. You can see that they're now more closely matched than what they were initially. So you're not having a whole lot of drastic pull back and forth. Now again, we can lead and switch our direction. And see, now we've got our locomotives. We're going to make sure we're moving it forward. And we start to move. And you can see how the locomotives move together. So again, you can go in and adjust the consisting and the speed matching using the speed matching part of the app. Now to get there, again, we go from the home screen, we go to multi-train. And once you have your consist built, you'll see that little speed matching down in the bottom, and you can go in and access the menu. Now, for more information, please visit our website at SoundTraxx.com. Be sure to check out the Blunami User's Guide and check your local retailer for Blunami today.